Tired of watching YouTube videos just to find the key points? Let me show you how to use the Glasp AI Chrome extension with ChatGPT and Cloud to get instant summaries. First, go to the Chrome store and search Glasp's YouTube summary with ChatGPT. Click Add to Chrome and install extension. Now, open any YouTube video. On the right side, you'll see a new button labeled Transcript and Summary. Labs let you choose between ChatGPT or Cloud for generating summaries. Just click one you prepare, and it will automatically send the transcript to the AI tool. Once it's open, the AI will summarize the video into bullet points. You can read, copy, or even ask follow questions inside ChatGPT or Cloud. Use Cloud for more detailed analysis and ChatGPT for quick summarize. Make sure you're logged in into your OpenAI and Anthropic account. And that's how you use Clap's ChatGPT Cloud to summarize YouTube videos in seconds. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart tools.